Good morning, everyone. So again, today we again start our virtual class. So last day we are already discussed the lesson number 8, exercise 3, exercise 4, exercise 5 already complete. So today we start exercise 6 and exercise 7. So everybody open book and copy both. At first, today put the date. Today's date is 2nd December 2020. Day is Wednesday. Subject is French. Today topic lesson 8, exercise 6 and 7. So everybody open page number 49. Today we discuss exercise 6 and exercise 7. So everybody open page number 49. I write in the board, you write in your copy. Here is the conjugal verb suivant, that means conjugate the verb. Here is the first group verb, habite is the first group verb. Next page 50, here is verb is avoir verb, means to have. Habite means to live, avoir means to have, to conjugate the verb. Exercise number 7, conjugal verb, here is parler, first group verb. Être is irregular, that means to be. Parler means to speak. Aimer, to love and like, and aller means to go. So discuss this type of verbs. So everybody open it, the page number 49. Everybody open it. Now see the board. I write the board, the conjugation of verb, you write in your copy. Okay? See the board. Exercise 6. Exercise 6. Verb habiter. 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 Habiter means to live, to stay, to live, everything. Habiter. Singulier, that means singular form. First person singular, second person singular, third person singular. Means plural form. That means first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. Je habite. The rules is ending year is omit and adding e. But two vowel is not sitting. So first vowel cut, get apostrophe. So here is j'habite. Tu habites. Second person adding es. Er omit, then adding e in the first. Second person adding es, and il habite. Habite, adding e, and al habite, habite, adding e. Okay. Now nous habitons. Here ending habitons. Habitons. Ons adding. Vous, vous, vous. Second person plural. habitez. Habite, and il. Third person plural. habite, T-E-N-T, or L-H-A-B-I-T-E-N-T, Abit. So at first ending omit, that means er omit, then adding e, es, e, first person singular, second person singular, third person singular. First person plural ending omit, then adding ons. Second person plural that ending er omit, then adding ez, and third person plural er ending er omit, then adding ent. That is abite verb, means to leave. Abite. Next one, open the page number 50. Here is avoir verb. Avoir means to have. Abite means to leave. Avoir means to have. Okay. Avoir. A-V-O-I-R. Avoir. So this verb is not follow the particular rules because avoir is the irregular verb. Avoir means to have. J'ai, first person singular. Tu as, that means there is no space. So I think everybody completes this abite verb. I erase it the abite verb. Then avoir verb. Avoir means to have. J'ai, because there is no two vowel listening, first vowel cut, get apostrophe. J'ai, that means I have. Tu as, that means you have. Il a, that means he has. Elle a, that means she has. Nous avons, that means we have. Vous avez, that means you have. Ils ont, that means they have. Elles ont, that means also they have. See that. Next, okay. Okay. I think everybody complete. Now start exercise number 7. Here is the identify the verb. Only which person here I identify. You have to that conjugation you have to put it. So exercise number 7. 1. Only parler verb. Parler means to speak. Only il, that means third person singular. Nous, first person plural. Vous, second person plural. So first verb parler. P-A-R-L-E-R. Parler. So here is il. Il parle. P-A-R-L-E. Parle. Next one, nous. Nous parlons. P-A-R-L-O-N-S. Nous parlons. Then vous, second person plural. Vous parlez. P-A-R-L-E-Z. Only 3 subject there. So you have to conjugate only 3. Number 1. Number 2. Être verb. Être means to be. So here is je. So je suis. Okay. Then vous êtes. Then nous, then sommes. Next one, 3. Aimer verb. A-I-M-E-R, aimer. Aimer means to love, to like. Here is subject tu. Tu, A-I-M-E-S. E-R ending, adding E-S. Then nous. Nous aimons. A-I-M-O-N-S. Nous aimons. Then il. I-L-S. Il. That is A-I-M-E-N-T. Am. Ilzan. Number 4. Aller means to go. Aller. Here is subject je. Irregular verb. Je vais. Next one, vous. Vous allez. A-L-L-E-Z. Vous allez. Next one, ils. Ils vont. V-O-N-T, vont. Write it. So I think everybody write from the board. Today we discuss exercise number 6 and exercise number 7. Only verb conjugation. I write in the board, you write in your copy. If you any problem, any doubt, just tell me. I have to rectify your problem. But every day you have to practice 10 to 15 minutes every day. Okay? So today is for that. You have to practice in your home. Okay? So till then,